Hey YouTube, I just got my flatface packages in the mail today, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. I ordered wide trucks. Another set of wide trucks. Some Teflon bushings. Came with some washers. That's it. Alright, I'm going to unbox this one. Right. So I ordered a John Cowart deck. Wow, it looks pretty cool. Oh, this is amazing. Came with like a red orange bottom ply. Medium. Wow. Solid. Then I got the black G6D bearing nails. Hopefully they can. Yep, black. Flatface sticker. Not a flatface sticker. I'll be doing a review on these later. Thanks for watching.